In this automation, I'm going to show you how to collect leads and do some background research on that lead and send that to a Slack channel. So why is that important? Well, whenever someone signs up on your website for a service or a product, you want to create a call with them, have a call with them, and you want to be prepared. So we want to ask them 5 questions about the service that they're interested about their company. And what this automation does is it's going to collect the information from the lead. So what it's going to collect is the name, their email, and a link to their website. So let's just call it Bob email AI automation flow at gmail.com. And the website is this one there. So we're going to start the automation and we're going to submit, and then you see the automation's kicked off. What it's doing is it's searching, it's going through the website, and it's researching everything about that lead, and it's generating 5 questions to ask. And this is the output that we get. So we've created a Slack channel, and this is the output of that Slack channel. So in the form, we have a simple tally form with the 3 inputs, and then we have a Google Sheets where we collect that information and just save it on there, just so that we can go over it like a CRM system. So you can see we've mapped the field names, name, email, and link to the company. And then the important part of this automation is Perplexity AI. Can't even say the name. We've chosen the Llama 3 model, and we've given it a prompt: research the company and the person that is based in this company, look through the URL, and also look through their LinkedIn if you can find that. And we've passed it the name from their input initially, and also the link to the website. And what this is going to do is generate an output. You can see the output here in messages content, and you can see the 5 questions that it's generated. So questions about Bob, automation potential, current challenges, future plans, and so on. So any time someone goes into your website, fills in that form, the automation is going to create a little research bundle with questions, which will be automatically sent to our Slack channel. I hope this automation has helped you. If you need any automation, any consulting advice about Make, then you can message me on aiautomationflow@gmail.com, or you can go onto my website and you can contact me there, or I can do an audit, an AI audit on your company. So I hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe as well.